Thank you guys for clicking on our video. You can see here at Skyway Classics we have a beautiful 1987 Camaro IROC-Z. You can see there, beautiful white paint job with that T-top removable glass roof panels, those big chrome exhaust tips. But stick around for the video, because in this video we'll be diving to the interior. We'll throw it up on the lift over there so you guys see underneath, take you for a little test drive, and then take it outside in the sunlight, give you one last little walk around with the car running, show you guys this gorgeous car. So go ahead and stick around the video. Let's dive into the interior now. So we went ahead and popped the door open. You can see the red interior in pretty good condition. Does have a dash pad here, a B&M shifter. It is an automatic. See the seats, the condition there, the rear seats there, and the carpet. Go ahead and show you the gauges. Radio there and AC controls. So like I said, we'll go ahead, we'll put this thing on the lift, show you guys the undercarriage. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the undercarriage here, starting with the driver's side. See those power disc brakes there, and then on to the passenger side. It is a little rough, some surface rust there on the exhaust. The floors, however, are pretty clean. Some scrapes there. And as we make our way to the back, see the rear axle here, and the rear brakes, and the rear muffler. Those chrome exhaust tips. So let's go ahead and look underneath the doors here. No bubbling, no rust, some waves. And as we make our way over the passenger side, kind of same thing here. No rust, no bubbling, nothing of that sort. So we'll go ahead, we'll throw it back on the ground and give you guys a little ride. We're out of the shop. Let's go ahead and fire it up. See, immediately starts right up. The gauge is there. She does work. Let's go ahead and throw it in drive here. We're on our way. Power steering, power brakes are very responsive, in great working condition. She even wants to get up and go, and she'll stop on a dime. See there. So we'll go ahead, we'll put this thing in the sun, have it running, show you guys the engine bay. Outside, parked. Let's go ahead and take a look underneath. And here you see that tune port injection. Very clean underneath here. No whining, no hissing from anything. Little sound clip here at the back. Overall, a great, strong running car. So you can find this car on our website at skywayclassics.com. We'll have a link in the description below, as well as a phone number. If you want to call and inquire about it, ask any more details, go ahead and give us a call. And again, skywayclassics.com. Thanks for watching.